how to connect PS5 controller with Android. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your PS5 controller with your Android smartphone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is scroll down from the top of your Android screen to locate the Bluetooth icon. Over here, hold down on the Bluetooth icon and it will open the Bluetooth page. After that, select Pair a new device. Then put your PS5 controller into Bluetooth pairing mode by holding down the Share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. The light bar on your controller will begin to flash. Next, on your phone, look for DualSense wireless controller in the list of available devices. Over here, select it and it will say pairing. After that, press pair on the screen. The controller is connected. So that's how you can connect your PS5 controller with Android. That's all for this video.